Doing some exhaust repairs here. Just wanted to show a little trick that I had to come up with here to get this pipe to fit. I've done a lot of exhaust jobs and never thought about doing this before. I cut a slit in this pipe just on the bottom and then clamped that hose clamp on there, and it gave me the perfect size fit I need. And now I'm just going to weld that seam. Please don't look at my ugly welds. I'm about 2 foot off the ground. It is so hard to weld under here. But yeah, I've done a couple of these and never thought about doing this before. I've always been so worried about getting the right size adapters and all that. You don't need that crap. Just take a horseshoe clamp, cut you a slit, and crank it down. I kind of did the same thing there. Didn't really need it, but the relief slit definitely helps. So, just a cool little trick. If you ever go in to do some exhaust repairs and you're concerned about having the proper size fittings, I've pretty much, I'm not going to worry about that anymore. This little technique is awesome. Just cut a slit in the bottom of it and then bend one tab up so that the overlap will be initiated when you start crimping it. Because if you don't bend one side up, it'll butt into itself and won't crush right. This here has been crushed over about a 1/4 inch, as you can see. Get this electrode out of the way. But yeah, definitely a cool little trick.